Okay, to get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I would like to add a smooth slow motion effect. Let's begin by making sure your clip is selected on the timeline and then press the Ctrl R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. In the pop-up setting, change the speed to your desired amount. I will set mine to 50% for half speed. Now hit OK. It slowed down my video, but since I have 13 fps footage, putting it down to half speed is going to make it super choppy. So to improve this, let's use Ctrl R to open up the speed settings again. But this time, change the time interpolation drop down to optical flow. Then hit OK. Alright. But it's still a little choppy since optical flow is a demanding effect. To fix this, make sure your clip is selected, then go to Sequence and select Render Selection. It might take a bit to render, but once it's done, my playback will be much smoother. Keep in mind that while this worked good for me, if I were to lower this even more to like 20%, I would start noticing ghosting and artifacting. Since it can only do so much with 13 fps footage, if I had 16 fps footage, I could probably get with going down to 20%. Though, but yeah, that's all for me. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Uh, I hope you enjoy the video. If you find valuable the video, please leave a comment and subscribe my channel.